Very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say, welcome to Africa and Beyond the Television Network. President Nelson Chamisa has finally responded to his critics. Remember, all these past days, President Nelson Chamisa was under fire. Actions you might think of, but responded. The issue was, leave the Bible out of it, leave God out of everything you're doing. And Nelson Chamisa has calmly responded and said, do not let anyone dim your light or blunt your cutting edge. Never be discouraged. Never be changed by naysayers. Keep your true north. Keep shining. Millions count on you. Blessed Sunday. So very critical to Zimbabwe. What President Nelson Chamisa is saying here, we need to dissect word by word. So, first of all, he says, do not let anyone dim your light. Someone, not many people, someone. Anenge achingoti, musadai, so maprezoma akudai. Then he went on to say, never be changed by naysayers. Which means those who are fighting to change Nelson Chamisa's views and doctrine towards Jesus Christ or the church, these are the people he's saying naysayers. Why? It's because these are people who go to Sangomas unprovoked, but nobody cares, nobody questions them. These are people, some of them who believe in their own issues. Some even don't believe kuti kuna Mwari, but they believe kuti Nelson Chamisa can lead. Or they're just using Nelson Chamisa as a tool to get to a new Zimbabwe, so that zvavanoda zvinoitika zvavarikuziva kuti hazvisi kuitika because of ZANU-PF. So these are naysayers he's talking about, greedy people who just want to benefit from the circumstances, and they take advantage of that. Then he says, keep your true north. So if your yes is your yes, keep to it, stick to it. If your God is your God, stick to him and do whatever you can to make sure that you remain loyal to your own God. Very important thing, which shows that he is actually responding to his critics. He clearly says, millions count on you. It's not me, because I don't believe that there are millions who are counting on me. It's not you either, because you don't have millions of people counting on you. Who is that person with millions counting on him? It's Nelson Chamisa. Over 2 million people voted for him. These are the people who believe in him. Even young children, young kids who can't even vote right now. Even those millions who are in the diaspora who couldn't vote in the just ended election, they believe in him. So if you combine the people who actually voted, those who couldn't vote because they were disenfranchised, those who couldn't vote because they are in diaspora, those who couldn't vote because they are young, those who couldn't vote because they registered to vote late, all those people, if you put them together, these are the millions who are hopeful on Nelson Chamisa, who are saying, if Nelson Chamisa gets into power, ABCD is going to be solved. That is the reason why you see the regime itself, with all the intelligence apparatus, they know for sure that Nelson Chamisa is the man of the people. They know for sure that Nelson Chamisa is hinged onto the people, is attached to the people. Everybody believes in Nelson Chamisa. If today Nelson Chamisa is declared president, there is a great possibility that you see the Zimbabwean dollar regaining its value like shit. There's a great possibility. You see things calming down, businesses is starting to work, everything, because somebody they believe in is now in power. Somebody who can be trusted is now in power. That is not disputed and cannot be doubted. Because straight thinkers sector, they agree without doubt that Nelson Chamisa is the deal. Nelson Chamisa is the person who should be leading. That is not an argument. So you see that whatever decision Nelson Chamisa is going to make, it is going to be accepted by everybody and everyone. And this is a very, very powerful response. Apostle Joe, Isaiah chapter 60, arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon you. For behold, the darkness shall cover the earth, and gross darkness in the people. But the Lord shall rise upon you, and his glory shall be seen upon you. So this is a very important here. And the Gentiles, okay, so I have lost, and the Gentiles shall come to your light, and kings to the brightness of your rising. Lift up your eyes round about and see. All they gather themselves together, they come to you. Your sons shall come from afar, and your daughters shall be nursed at your side. So this is what Apostle Joe says. It's a very long post he has posted here. So, Team Zimbabwe, this is what President Nelson Chamisa says. I do not know what others think, how others view all this whole issue, but I believe this is a great response to the critics or to the naysayers, to be precise. He says, naysayers, not me, it's him who said so. So, ameno, vatsamwa ndikoko, vari kufara ndikoko. I don't know, in the comment section, please.